Denny, can you go shut your car off? Step out here with me.
What's the reason for
Shut
it?
your car off. Step out here. Well, just wait when you get out here, okay?
I'm under arrest.
No, you're not. Not at this time. You need to step out here with me, though.
Why am I have to step out of the vehicle, sir?
You want to step out here with me? I'll explain it to you when you get out.
I have to step out of the vehicle.
I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle. Yes, sir.
Is that do I have to? I want to know this because I, you know what I'm saying, I didn't do nothing. You know what I'm saying?
You create a traffic offense, yes.
All right.
You just step out of the vehicle so I can explain to you what's going on, okay?
All right. I know better and I'm stepping out. Yeah, that's a primitive weapon because of damn. I'm not under arrest, but they asking me. I don't want to resist. So
spin around for me. Anything you're gonna stab, poke, stick me?
No, nothing.
Okay. You want to put your phone up there for me?
What's all this about? If I'm not under arrest, why are you searching me? I don't understand this.
For my safety, put your phone up there.
I'm allowed to have my phone.
Okay. Anything you're gonna stab, poke, stick me?
Nope.
Okay.
For a tail light out or not putting a flashing light out, they're searching.
Okay, go and step back here.
For what?
Is there anything in that vehicle I'm going to find? I am going to search it.
Am I under arrest or am I free to go? Am I under?
You're not free to go.
So I'm under arrest, right?
You're not under arrest. You're being detained right now.
No, if I'm under arrest, am I free to go, sir?
You are being pulled over for a traffic violation. You need to comply.
I am complying.
You can be arrested. You are not complying. You are arguing with us. And
I'm not arguing with
you. To jail?
No, but I'm asking you why. You know.
Allow me to explain it to you, okay?
Okay.
Your friend.
Yeah.
Is going to jail tonight.
I don't really know her. You know.
Okay. She had to pick up a warrant out from Clairvaux County.
Yeah.
Since this is a small vehicle, anywhere that she can reach, I am going to search because it's called search incident to an arrest. Okay. Now I'm asking you before I start searching the vehicle, is there anything I'm going to find?
Well, I'll tell you what. I'm not going to give you permission.
You don't have to give me permission. That's fine.
Okay, well, that's
I already
fine.
told you it's search incident to arrest.
That's all right then.
Is there anything I'm going to find in that vehicle?
No, there ain't nothing in my damn vehicle.
Okay. Well, I'm going to have you step
all
right
right
there.
I don't have none. He just searched me.
That's fine.
I give her a ride to get groceries. I just don't understand why I get all this stuff in return signal. You guys said.
Your friend's under arrest.
I don't know her. Yeah.
Because
I understand that.
She can reach, he can arrest.
Yeah.
He can search.
Well, she didn't reach all the way over there at my door though.
How do we know that?
Because she didn't. Her arms ain't that long enough. I'm just doing this. You know what I'm saying? I got rights too.
That's fine.
And this was just I think it was all a setup or something to try to get me. I don't know what the hell is going on. I mean, I don't understand it.
Well, the woman that you're with, I'll help you try to
Molly.
understand it a little bit. She lied about her name, she lied about her birthday, and she lied about her social. So that's the problem. That's why she's being arrested. She also has warrants.
That's a battle act, like you hang on the wall or whatever.
So it does make sense what we're doing. We're not.
In a way, it does. I mean,
we're not picking you out or picking on you.
Yeah, but it feels like it.
She lied. You're with someone that lied about their name, their age, their birthday, their social.
That's all I know her by is Molly. You know.
Well, that's why she's in the back with handcuffs right now, and that's why your vehicle is being searched.
I don't understand.
So
I still understand.
That it's just for no reason.
But
There is a reason.
yeah, I felt like it. You guys come through the parking lot staring and everything. I was like, what are you guys staring at? I had a laptop out. And I got a turn, and then all of a sudden I didn't put my turn signal on when I went, you know, I just felt like I was targeted or something. And they said, you know, he said where they could reach at. Then you're over on my side. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Look, see, that's where she can reach at, all the way there and there and there. Hey, all I do is bring her up, get something to eat or whatever. I was trying to be nice.
Well, you can talk to her about why she lied to the police later.
I don't know. She lied to me then,
That's
too.
on her.
I don't.
It's not on us. We didn't have